As we know, the holiday season is upon us, which means there are many different great events to check out with friends and family. And in this video, I'm showing 4 that you can do in Scarborough. Personally, I think the best for families are number 3 and 4. So remember to stay to the very end to check that out. And it's all going to begin right after this. Hey everyone, Josh Tavares, Realtor with eXp Realty, covering the Greater Toronto Area. It would mean so much if you can help us out. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get updates on our newly uploaded content. If you want access to our Seller's Guide, comment Seller's Guide down below. We'll send that your way. And also, if there's any Scarborough content that you would like for us to record, comment that down below as well, and we'll do our very best to record that for you. And without further ado, let's begin. Number 1, Holiday Street Market. The Holiday Street Market is located at 520 Progress Avenue, close to Scarborough Town Center. Dates are from December 4th to December 19th from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Experience a 35-foot tall Christmas tree, a tunnel of starry lights, 80+ artesian village, unlimited winter wonderland rides for you to enjoy with the kids, marshmallow fire pit lounge, mulled wine, maple syrup sugar shack, mini food trucks, and a hot cocoa bar. Tickets for adults are $20 and youth tickets are $15 from the age of 2 and 17. Number 2, Holiday Market Open House at the Toronto Botanical Gardens. Located at 777 Lawrence Avenue East, eco-minded and naturally inspired annual marketplace. Open Saturday and Sunday, December 4th and 5th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Enjoy a free, relaxing shopping experience with all the proceeds going to the Toronto Botanical Garden. The garden shop has a wide variety of home decor for you to check out, as well as freshly greens, poinsettias. The space has access to a potting bar, as well as a variety of local honey. Local artisans will showcase their products and services that are eco and naturally inspired. Guests can also donate non-perishable goods to the North York Harvest Food Bank. Number 3, Christmas Cabaret. Come check out the different music performances they have at the Christmas Cabaret. It's fun for the whole family and proceeds go to the Scarborough Music Theatre that runs all year round. Starts Monday and Tuesday, December 13th and 14th at 7:30 p.m. The location is Scarborough Theatre at 3600 Kingston Road. The facility has free parking for you to enjoy. Tickets can be purchased online through theaterscarborough.com. And tickets for students, adults, as well as group rates are $15 each. And number 4, Toronto Zoo Holiday Marketplace. The Toronto Zoo's front and Indo-Malaysian courtyard will be transformed into the beautiful marketplace. The marketplace will showcase 90+ artisan producers, processors from local communities, with up to 18 vendors per date. Shop local while enjoying holiday-inspired food and drinks, festive decor, and photo opportunities. By shopping local, you're actually helping the environment by reducing our carbon footprint. The event is held on Saturdays from November 19th to December 23rd from 2 to 8 p.m. Entry into the area is free with zoo admission. After 4 p.m., tickets are $5.50 per person and free for anyone with children 2 and younger. And admission is free for those with Terra Lumina admission. You'll be able to view the animals after 4:30 p.m. There will be many different vendors for you to enjoy, such as Tim Hortons, Tiny Tom's Mini Donuts, Mr. Mustache Burgers, Beaver Tails, and more. There you have it, some of the great holiday events taking place in Scarborough that you have to check out with friends and family. Thanks so much for the support watching the video. Remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and jiggle the notification bell to get updates on our newly uploaded content. And if you want to know about the cost of living in Scarborough, click the card above and you'll get access to that. I go super in depth into different costs associated with living in Scarborough. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.